Yeah, I got some viral moments. I'm an internet sensation, but the level of this shit that it done reached to, it hadn't really dawned on me until the Soulja Boy incident. In my mind, homie, these niggas ain't paying me no mind. The Soulja Boys, the Jay-Z's, man, these people hear me. In my mind, they not paying me no attention.
Yeah.
Well, they are.
Facts.
Yeah, they are. And so that Soulja Boy incident really just showed me, man, you really need to tighten up. Because that really could have went.
Could have went left.
Yeah, I could have got a good ass kicking.
You know, I saw.
Yeah, I would have known what to do after that.
I think I saw on Say Cheese when you had said Soulja Boy had walked up to you with a couple guys and he just said, "I want to talk."
Yeah,
and that was all he took. That was all it took.
I wasn't taking no more chances. Yeah.
So, I want to talk Mace.
Yeah. Cause in my mind, you still got these other niggas still coming. So you got 1, 2, 3, and you still got other niggas coming.